Hello everyone! We are the Lopez family from the Greater Toronto East area. My name is Brother Danny.
And I'm Sister Mauricion.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Danzo.
I'm Dan Paul.
And I'm D'Angelo.
And we will be showing you how to make your own Family Wonders board for this upcoming CFC conference.
The materials are simple. You will need a board. We will use a foam board, but you can also use cork board, a magnetic board, or even the back of an old desk calendar. All base board will work.
Next are some art materials like colored markers, pencils, crayons, paint, etc. You will also be needing scissors and anything to stick pictures to your board like glue, tape, pushpins, or magnets.
Lastly, we will need prints of the wonders we have experienced with our families, whether simple or grand. For example, we have some pictures of the birthday celebrations, attending mass in person or even online, sushi or shawarma night, and even just our simple bonding times at home or out.
Or you may also include celebrating milestones like birthdays, wedding anniversaries, having a new family member like a son, a daughter, or a grandchild, having a new pet, family outdoor activities like hiking, biking, camping, or family vacations. You get the idea?
Of course, we will also be needing your skills in assembling and decorating your Family Wonders board. Simply cut out your printed wonders in life and stick them to your board. Sprinkle some creativity, magic, and love, and you will be done in no time.
Note that this activity is another family wonder that you can spend some time in Thanksgiving for all the blessings you've shared with your family. And be sure to do this before the CFC conference and share them on social media with the hashtag God's Wonders in My Family.
And so, here is our Family Wonders board! Now with the Family Wonders board done, we will be ready for the CFC conference.
We can't wait to see your Wonders boards! See you then!
God bless families!